Assalamualaikum everyone. So let's get started with this mini jersey hijab tutorial. Forget that happened. So you can split the hijab into two, one side long and one side short, and you have to decide what kind of a forehead shape you want. So this is how a curve would look. This is how showing a little of the undercap would look. Or my personal favorite is to fold a bit so that it gives a stiff shape, like a stiff triangle on your forehead. And you take the longer side. So you take the longer side of the hijab and you bring it on the other side. For this, since it's a jersey hijab, it is going to stay in place if you tie it tightly, but you can use safety pins to make sure it stays in place. Or you can take both the ends, the loose ends, and make a knot. Clever, huh? So yeah, and once you've adjusted everything, the knot will just disappear. You can barely see it and it will stay in place throughout. If you're looking for something with more volume and more va-va-voom to your hijab, all you have to do is bring in tiny layers on top of your head like so. Since this is a jersey hijab, it's very easy to do this. And rest of it, just like we did before, you have to bring it to the other side, secure it with pins if you need to. And yeah, there you go. More volume in barely seconds. So this is for someone who's looking for medium coverage. Like we did before, we take the hijab into short and long ends, and what we do is bring it to the other side like we did before. But now what we do is we hide our right end like that, and that's how it looks. Or you can hide the left end, leaving the long side like so. So in this hijab style, you take the hijab in equal lengths on either side. Not equal, it can be, you know, yeah. So once you've thrown one of the sides over your shoulders, like I did oh so dramatically, you just have to fix it up. A loud shout out to Imani because this was inspired by her look. So this hijab style has been in trend lately, so I thought I'll give it a try too. So you have to take a short end and a long end and bring the long end down below, not over the head, and put a knot on the other side. So knot is supposed to be the cool thing. Yeah, and that's how it looks. So this is a medium to low coverage. Like we did previously, you can take equal halves and put it behind. And this look is mostly when you're going for like a wedding or any kind of event where you're gonna wear a statement necklace or anything like that. Like I said previously, since it's a jersey hijab, it's a bonus. It's gonna stay in place throughout without moving.